Welcome to our educational video on getting started with external services. Our learning objectives for today are straightforward. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to explain the external services feature and external services. Additionally, you'll be able to describe the high-level workflow of an external service. So, why external services? Well, in the modern business landscape, customers expect a seamless experience across different platforms. This is where external services comes into play. It allows you to declaratively integrate with externally hosted services, performing various business actions or computations in your Salesforce org without the need for coding. What kind of third-party services can you integrate into your Salesforce org? Here are a few examples. Credit scoring service on your Salesforce account detail page. Eligibility verification service for discounts. Flexible digital payment services. Mapping services with visualization tools. Real-time order notifications in Slack. Fraud prevention services. Integration of separate omni-channel retailing services. Google services. Before we delve deeper into external services, let's clarify some terms. External services is a Salesforce integration product that registers an external web service, submitted as an open API compliance specification. It magically brings the operations of your external web service into the Salesforce platform as invocable actions for use with tools like Flow Builder. In essence, it declaratively connects external REST APIs using open API standards. External web service, also known as external services, is any function, action, or process developed and hosted outside of the Salesforce platform. To be consumable by external services, it must be a REST-based API, typically using the HTTP protocol. API specification, or API spec, is a file containing the descriptive schema defining what an API can do. External services adheres to a JSON-based open API specification format. It defines naming, order, and contents of objects, ensuring clear interactions with a REST API. Invocable actions in the context of external services are declarative building blocks available in Salesforce platform tools like Flow Builder or Einstein bots. Once registered with external services, you can access these invocable actions in tools like Flow Builder. Flow Builder is a point-and-click tool for building flows. A flow, part of Salesforce Flow, collects data and performs actions in your Salesforce org or an external system. Now that you understand the fundamentals of external services, you're ready to harness the power of services outside Salesforce to enhance your business model, use cases, and most importantly, provide a better experience for your customers. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. Until next time, happy learning.